You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly, the name of this primate animal. If you want to learn more animal names that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. There are two different ways to pronounce it in English: Tarsier, Tarsier, or the more perhaps French sounding. I believe that the word comes from French originally, so makes sense to pronounce it also as Tarsier. The French pronunciation would be Tarsier, but in English it's either Tarsier or Tarsier, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.